Can a robot read minds? Is telepathy just a thing of science fiction? Imagine a machine that not only understands you but can know what you're thinking. Although we don't have telepathic robots like in the movies, the reality is that science is getting closer to a form of mind reading. What a robot can't do is know your most intimate thoughts, memories, or feelings. However, what it can do is interpret signals from the human brain and body to infer what you're about to do. Current technology focuses on detecting and decoding the signals that our brain and body are already producing. This is very different from telepathy. For example, with the help of technologies like electroencephalography, EEG, an AI can detect the electrical activity in your brain. If you concentrate on the idea of moving a robotic hand, the software can recognize that specific brainwave pattern and execute the action. Additionally, robots and AIs can also analyze your physical signals to infer your state. They can use cameras and sensors to interpret your facial expressions, the tone of your voice, your eye movements, and even your heart rate. By processing this data, they can deduce if you're happy, angry, or confused. In summary, robots can't read minds because they don't have access to your inner subjective world. They only recognize and act based on patterns they have learned to associate with certain intentions or emotional states. It's a powerful advancement in human-machine interaction, but it's not telepathy.